Culinary Hub presents butter and garlic roasted chicken along with veggies, a perfect centerpiece for your holidays dining table. Juicy, moist, tender chicken with a crispy skin is an ultimate delight. We upload new videos every Saturday. Kindly subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for the latest updates. First, I'll be taking out the required amount of butter and microwaving it so that it is soft. I have pat dried the chicken and it is at the room temperature. I'll smother the chicken with a good amount of butter. The more the butter, the tastier it will be and the skin turns out really crispy. I will tuck in the wings as shown and then I'll start preparing the spice mix. I'll add a good amount of salt in a mixing bowl, followed by little amount of garlic powder. Then in goes paprika powder, dried thyme and oregano goes in, followed by a good amount of crushed black pepper. Mix up all this thoroughly and I'll be sprinkling the chicken with the prepared spice mix. I'll be really generous with the spice mix, ensuring that I'm putting up enough amount even in the cavity of the chicken. Then I'll be flipping it and smearing the spice mix even on the other side. I have taken a whole lemon and quartered it. I'll be introducing this in the cavity of the chicken. This gives a nice lemony fragrance while the chicken is cooked. I will also introduce half a pod of garlic along with the peel as shown and include few sprigs of rosemary as well. Then place the other half of the lemon. Then using a butcher twine, I'll be tying the legs of the chicken as shown. Now I'll chop the veggies. I am using potatoes and carrots which I've chopped in thick slices. Then I'll also include half a pod of garlic. To elevate the chicken so that it is cooked evenly, I'll be spreading the veggies as shown, drizzle it with cooking oil and sprinkle the remaining spice mix over it. Place the prepared chicken. I have already preheated the oven at 220 degrees Celsius. I'll be baking for first 15 minutes at 220. Then I'll lower the temperature to 180 degrees Celsius and cook for 1 more hour. I'll skip out the basting part of the chicken. After 1 hour of grilling, this is how the chicken looks. I will cover it with an aluminium foil and allow it to rest. This ensures all the juices that has been driven out during baking are reabsorbed by the meat and the meat turns out far more juicier and tastier. Now to check whether the chicken is done, I'll give a small handshake to the roasted bird. If it is wobbly, then it is cooked perfectly. You can also use a meat thermometer. I'll be drizzling all these flavored packed juices while serving the veggies and the chicken. Here it is, the final product, the fruit of our labor. Enjoy this and let us know your comments regarding this recipe. And I'm sure this is going to be a very simple and easy to follow recipe which you'll be using time and again. I'll just show how juicy and moist the chicken is after roasting. The knife just slides in the meat easily and it is cooked perfectly. Thank you for watching this video. Please click the like button, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for further notifications.